MGM Corporation Limited, established in 1991, is one of the recognized and renowned textile mill in creating, developing and manufacturing of products right from the basic to the variety of high quality yarn. The company covered the huge area of 48 acres for their mega plant, with the labor force of more than 600 workers, which includes highly experienced and qualified managers, supervisors, and foremen who are well skilled to operate 21,000 spindles that consist 480 frames, thus transforming the dream of absolute quality into reality. The company has perfected the spinning process by applying the state-of-the-art automated technology and innovation to every phase of their yarn manufacturing process. The quality is controlled independently at each and every stage of production to keep the compliance with the customer requirements with accordance to the 9001 standards. The main goal of the company is to create the long-term relationship with their customers and suppliers by providing them the superior quality at competitive prices. The operations of the company starts right after the purchase of the cotton. The quality control department inspects the raw cotton in their godown. After that, the number of bales that qualify to go through the spinning process are stated in printed form. The first phase starts off with the plucking of cotton bales by the automatic pluckers for further seeding into the mixing process. The company itself has two plucking units. In the second step, the condenser sucks the cotton for further processing. Manual processes used to deliver cotton from one place to another by means of labor. Suction is the third step that ensures the mixing of bales, which is done manually by the workers, and it is ensured that it is mixed perfectly. The whole process is called mixing and blending. The fourth step involves the opening of cotton bales using ball breaker. In the second phase, the cotton is passed to the carding stage, in which card machines are used to slice the cotton pieces, leaving any kind of impurities aside. In this process, short fibers are also produced. The company is operating 24 carding machines that are used for carding process. Sliver, which is more refined form of cotton, is obtained after removing most of the micro level impurities. The third phase involves the drawing process, in which the fiber is blended by mixing different fiber. The fourth phase involves the simplex. In this area, material from past division is transformed to roving. The next phase comes under the ring department. In this department, roving is transformed to yarn, which is rolled over plastic pipe called bobbins. The last step involves the processing that comes under the cone department. in which the yarn on small bobbins is transferred on large bobbins known as the cone. The cone can be marketed in the marketplace. The yarn impurities are also eliminated in this area. Finally, the cones are ready after giving them proper moisture for improving the strength of the yarn. The whole process is monitored by the Manager Operations Department. The packing of yarn cones in the big bags is the last step before delivery. Each bag contains 130 cones that are loaded in truck by the labor manually. The yarn is ready for the delivery by the company's supplier. The duty of the quality manager is to check the quality during various processes. Quality manager goes to various machines and takes sample of the material. Then the manager takes those samples into the lab and weighs the sample. Then their strength is checked by the manager, and if it falls under 1.5% coefficient of variation, the machine is allowed to continue its work. But if there is any ambiguity in this process, the machine is stopped immediately, and then it is checked that what is the reason due to which the issue arose.